Okay, so this is János and I'm continuing on changing my Voigt pipe from the Fostex FE204, now you can see the back side of it, to the Cube Audio FC8. And what I need to do first is to remove this adhesive vinyl backing, which is a little over 20 years old now. And as you see, it's just breaking apart as I remove it. And you see, that's how much 22 years of aging does to the wood. The color is very, very different under this part that was protected from the sun compared to what's outside. Plus, this one has the shellac on it, and I think this is, I did not put the shellac, so or did I paint it? No, it definitely feels raw. So this is the raw wood, and that's the shellac, but the shellac when it was new looked much lighter than now after 20 years of baking in the Hawaiian sun. So how to remove it, because it's very hard to remove with hand. Let's just use a chisel and just go under it. There's something here. When I was using both hands to start removing it, it was going quite smoothly. Now with the camera it's a challenge, but Kintaro is up for the challenge. As you see, I put a piece of paper under there so that when all the nasties go inside, it's easier to clean up and it doesn't get stuck in the sheepskin. Now I need to remove this. So just use a nice chisel. So this was a plain vinyl sheet that you can get. I got it from Parts Express. This is a very common thing that any loudspeaker store will sell. And I use this under the FE204 to make a little dampening between the frame and the basket and the wood. So now we don't have that anymore there. I will do a little bit more cleaning to get rid of the goo from here. And what else? What I will also do is change that part, put in a clean sheet of paper and put in the FC8 and draw around the parts where the basket sticks out. So I will mark it and will mark those areas which I will need to cut out to be able to fit the driver inside. So thank you for tuning in for this phase of the upgrade, and thank you for Kintaro, who was the helper for this brief video. I just wanted to share this because you might face the same issue changing your drivers, and you might have some old piece of this vinyl backing, and this is just an easy tip on how to remove it. So please like and subscribe and have an awesome day. Bye bye.